You're looking at a chart of oil. Imagine this. This is an oil futures chart, and it was up in here, right up in here, that signaled the exhaustion move of oil. The sell signal was right up in here. She made a lower low, and then down she's come. Sideways, breaks again, sideways, breaks, sideways, little triangular pattern, breaks down precipitously, forms another little triangle, and trying to get her legs. Now, what is interesting to us, and I'm Bagadon at stockmarketcaddy.com, is this little action right here and right here, especially when compared to even over here. But this was a true low right here, and the price at that time was $65.94, which meant that that price had to get tested, and it went sideways and it broke, and down we came. Now look at this price right here. The percent B is lower, but the true low right here is 54.90, 54.90, and it is lower than this low. And folks, I got to tell you, it looks to us, based on the percent B, that this low of 54.90 is going to need to get tested again. Now, I know it's a triangle, and if you were to draw your trend lines, albeit quite small, right there, and another little trend line, there are a massive amount of stops right above here. All these shorts have been loading their stops all the way. We break above here, we could get into them. I think ultimately, even if we rally up into this area of 62, I think ultimately we'll turn back and have to test this. So how to play it? What we would recommend doing is watching how this triangle resolves itself. If we can trade just one tick above this marker here, the high, 57.55, we're only 45.50 cents, just one tick above it, we'd take it long for a massive short squeeze. If we break the low of 55.30, we would not buy it, we would not short it. It's going to have to come down, test this low, probably take it out, and we would watch the percent B to leave this alone. And that, even though we were to come down, we think this would mark the true low. Anything lower than that would be a false low, and that would be the low that we want to buy for the longer term. So short-term trade, anything above 57.55, we would take it long for a short squeeze. Anything below 55.30, we would not short it, we wouldn't buy it, we'd just let it bottom out and look over a period of a few days more for the evidence of a true or of a false low. I'm Bagadon at stockmarketcaddy.com. We do charting, but for the most part we're algorithmic traders, and the swing machine will tell us both short term, medium term, long term, when and how to play oil. It did so already. If you like this approach to the markets, feel free to follow, feel free to join. Base membership is just $99 a month. A level 2 live intraday session with Stock Market Caddy and with the swing machine to monitor the signals, to help with your own trading. We don't make recommendations to specifically buy or sell anything. We're just a mentoring site, and we're showing this for educational purposes. Feel free to follow, feel free to join. That intraday view is an additional $400 a month in addition to the base. Good luck, everybody. I'm Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com.